Look at this thing. You are probably wondering, what in the world are you doing? Hold on just a minute and I'll show you. That's beefy, son. And this is what it looks like now. So this is the finished product. Nice big beefy. So you can see I have a step up here and a double step up here on this other side right here. The first step up is to overlap on top of the plank that I have installed. The double step up in the back right here is to rise up over this ledge here. And just running a transition piece here created a high step or a trip hazard right here for these trailers always have a little silver ramp. I don't know if you guys know, seen them or not. They always have like a ramped up little thing to overlap this, but I didn't want to put that back here, so I have created this. Again, I got this here, the centerpiece, which keeps this set up. So I have this much expansion here, okay? I'm still gonna have full expansion, and it's set up almost perfect with that. I could have made it higher, but I didn't want to. I wanted to keep it as low as I could without, and still, well, I don't guess I could have because of that right there. But anyway, that reduced this metal piece sticking up dramatically, and it looks really good. Nice clean finish to the whole thing there. Now we'll just secure that to the floor. I still got my expansion. Did away with that straight up wall right there for a trip hazard. Voila. Anything, literally any kind of transition is possible with vinyl plank. You can make anything you need. And that is it. Completely installed.